Hello everyone, I'm Joel, a product manager at 8thWall. In this video, we'll learn about deploying modules and how to think about versions and updating your module. You have already created your module, and now you are ready to share your work with your peers. The next step is to publish your module. Navigate to your module and press the Deploy button to start the deployment process. The first time you deploy your module, you will need to create an initial version, check the module name, and input the release notes for the version. Optionally, you could also include a cover image and a description for the module. Your first version will be tagged as 1.0.0, meaning it's the first version ever deployed from the module. With these simple steps, your module is ready to be shared with your team. Now let's look at different scenarios where you are required to update your module. Once you have updated your module, you will need to think about how the changes to your module will affect the projects that have the module already installed. When deploying updates to your module, 8thWall provides different version numbers depending on the type of impact your module changes will have on projects. You can select between bug fixes, new features, or major versions. Each of these new versions is intended for different changes. Bug fixes are meant for changes that fix problems and do not affect projects that already exist. Any project using the current version number that is subscribed to automatic updates will have the module updated automatically. New features are meant for changes that add new functionality without adding any breaking changes. Only projects subscribed to new feature updates will receive an update automatically. Finally, we have major releases. This version changes how the module works, and any projects that want to update to or import this version of the module should do that manually. Once you have a new major release, you could start a new set of versions, bug fixes, new features, with that version as a starting point. Additionally, you have the option to mark a version as a pre-release. This is intended to indicate to your module's users that this version is still in development and testing, and may undergo changes before it is promoted to a release. Once you finish development on a pre-release module, you can deploy your module and abandon the pre-release status to make it official. Developing and deploying modules can help you and your team increase the efficiency of your WebAR and WebVR development, reduce the time to market for your project to launch, free up your time to focus on the unique challenges within a project or to develop more projects, even create a resource library to upskill full-time and freelance team members, as well as increase consistency and quality of your work, enable non-technical members of your team to customize projects through a visual configuration system. Thanks so much for watching. I can't wait to see what you create using 8thWall modules.